Okay, very good. The question is about the umbrella and it is made up of 10 triangular pieces. See, not perfectly the umbrella, but still. If I say this is the umbrella and one, two, three, four I have drawn here, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Total umbrella, huh? Is how much? How many pieces total? 10 pieces. And which shape? Triangular shape. Yes, it is given in the question. The each shape of the pieces are triangular. And how many pieces are used? 10 pieces are used. Hmm? And how many colors are used? Two different colors are used. How many? Two different colors are used. Correct? Is it in the question mentioned like this only? If I write, see here, if I means I'll just draw like this. This is the one cloth one and this is the cloth two because two different cloths are used. Okay, for cloth one, huh? Means for this triangular shape piece, how much is the given length for the sides? How much centimeter? 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter, 50 centimeter. I will keep this as 50, this also as 50 because the umbrellas here we can't draw 50, 20 and 50 like this we can't draw. Okay, so 50, 50, 20 I am keeping. These are the sides of this triangular shaped cloth. Hmm? Now tell me how much cloth for each colored is required for the umbrella. How much total cloth is required means we want to know about the area of this cloth only, no? Is it correct? We want to use the area of this cloth used, and we know there are two different kind of pieces of cloths used. If this is with the bubbles and this is with the marks like X marks, then two different cloths are used. And but the thing what is that, one thing is that all the triangular pieces are having these sides. So using the formula, tell me area of triangle is equals to, by Heron's formula, yes, it is correct. This is the formula. And we know 50, 50 and 20. See there 50, 50, 20 is there, no? So these are the A, B, C. A is equals to 50. B is equals to 50. C is equals to 20. Now tell me how to find the S. S is nothing but A plus B plus C upon 2. How much is that? 50 plus 50 plus, yes, 120 by 2 is nothing but 60. Just a minute, just a minute. Okay, then we got this answer. S is equals to 60 centimeter. Put in the formula fast. If this I am finding for the first area of triangle of the bubble, then in the formula 60 into 60 minus 50. 60 minus 50, once more AP, huh? Then 60 minus C is 20. Yes, you have to tell me fast now. 60, 10, 10, Yes. This is 10 and 10, no problem. One time we can take. This 60 and 40 only. How? 6 into 10. Okay. 4 into 10. These two 10 is there. No, once I will just take the 10. Already one 10 I will take out. So that this this 10 we are not considering now. Why we are not considering? Because already we are taking one 10 out. Now 10, already again this is there, no, both the 10 is there, so one time we can take the out of the square root, then 10, and what remain? 6 into 4 is remaining, so 10 into 10 is 100. Then how can we split the number? 2 into 3, 2 into 2, 2 into 3 is nothing but 6, 2 into 2 is nothing but 4. Now 100 in the see 100. So this 2 is having pair. So I'm taking one time into 2. One time I'm taking. Now what is remaining in the square? 3 and 2 is remaining. 3 twos are 6. So the answer for the one of the cloth. So total answer is 2 into 100 is 200 root 6. Yes. Now how many triangular pieces are used? 10. This is for one area. This is for the one area. The another area is also same. If I consider this area of triangle for bubbles, because I have just taken the diagram or figure as bubbles, then for area of triangular shape of this x mark, how much? The same only, is equals to how much? 200 square root of 6 centimeter square. It is same, no? Again we are using 50, 50, 20. Yes. Now 10 pieces are there. Correct? Understand the question? To make a umbrella, 10 pieces are used. That means 5 pieces of bubbles and 5 pieces of this X mark. Correct? Then 5 pieces of bubble triangles is equals to, tell me, 5 into 200 root 6. That is nothing but there is no root this one, and directly we are just multiplying. See here, 1000 root 6 centimeter square as it is. And here also for the x mark, shape of this x mark is also triangle with the same side, 50, 50, 20. Using that, again the same area we got, nothing but 200 root 6 we have got as the area. And for this is for the area, 5 pieces, what we are doing then is equals to 5 into 200 root 6 is nothing but again 1000 root 6 centimeter square. But in exam, if they mention the root 6 value, directly multiply and you can tell. Okay. Total this one, total cloth required for area of the cloth required for this bubbles and for this triangle, this one x mark is this much. Understood the question?